Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing fine, and as of today I am starting something new. I will do giveaways. Um, I have some items that I received from various manufacturers or companies like this camera, DVR from Banggood. This one I received from Maker Fabs, and this is my own product. And I actually don't have use for that, and I wanted to give it away. This camera was sent to me by Banggood, as I mentioned, and later on I received one with two cameras, and this one I did use for like 2 weeks in the car, and it is as good as new. And I don't feel comfortable to sell this stuff since it was given to me. So I want to um, continue the favor and give it away myself. And I will see how it goes. I will. Oh, as for picking the lucky winners, everybody that subscribes to my channel and leaves a comment, obviously, otherwise I won't know, will be eligible for the drawing. And to my Patreons that I have, the few I have, some did go, some came new, I decided to include them as well, of course, even if they are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, because I do know who they are, obviously. And as a favor for them, for their continuing support, if somebody subscribes to my channel, he gets one vote or one chance to win. But to my Patreons, if they're my Patreons for say 10 months, they get 10 times their name put in the big bowl that I'm gonna fish out the lucky winner out from. And so they have as much time they support me, that many more chances to win. So that's, I think it is fair. And obviously the longer the Patreon is supporting me, the more chances he will have to win. And yeah, and if I want, or after I run out of stuff to give away, I will just continue to randomly pick some product of mine, and you can go to my Tindy store to see what I have, and we'll pick one of those and make a make a giveaway or do a giveaway for those. For example, my matrix clock over here, or the single digit that I'm waiting for the PCBs over here. And I'm actually working on some new PCBs, and will include them as well. For now, I'm thinking I will do it once a month, and if it does help me, if I do get more Patreons, which I'm hoping to, obviously, I mean, I have, I think, 8 Patreons right now, so I could not crack the magic 10 number, and I hope that it will change that. And the more I can generate views and followers and whatnot, the more I can do giveaways and open source codes or even PCB designs or whatnot. So I mean, it's a give and take situation. If you give me, you can take something, and if I give you something, I might be able to take something, or anyway, you know what I mean. And yeah, I actually doing the giveaway. The first one will be this game console from that Maker Fabs that was sent to me, and it has many games. I won't go into it has a little dust on it, and it still has a protective screen on here. I didn't take it off yet. I will put a link in the description so you can go and check out what it is. I mean, it's a game console, obviously, and if you like it, you can subscribe or even maybe become a Patreon. Doesn't matter what, I mean, for how much, that doesn't matter. It just is more, the more continuous support I get, the more I can do it. So that's otherwise it would make no sense. And anyway, so this is the first one. It's a game console, obviously. It's based on the ESP32, and so this is the first one, and then we go from there. Obviously, this is also a very nice camera. I will put the link in the description, as I said. This has also the GPS module that it comes with. The adjuster holder, where is GPS module? And I have all those things that I did not use, like the charger and the cable and whatnot. The cable, I even did not take it out. I used my own cable when I installed it and tried it. So anyway, and I even have some stickers somewhere to glue to the windshield. So this is it. Let me know what you think, if you like it, if not, if I'm doing it for nothing, if I shouldn't do it or whatnot. And I actually also have something nice which I will give away. It is, maybe you know it, I just thought of it because I saw the second one on my table. The cordless motion detected screwdriver from what was it, the company? I think it was and this is the ES120. And so I will make a giveaway on this. I have two and I'm using one, so why should I keep this and just not use it? And maybe somebody can use it. I'm sure somebody can use it. So that's another item that I will make a giveaway. So the more you support me, the more I can do this. And I'm also actually waiting on this. I had requested it. Oh my god, I got the blue screen. What happened? Okay, a certain angle turns blue. Anyway, this is the the M5 paper. The new version 1 actually got discontinued, and I just by chance, actually I did get a notification from Banggood that my order was cancelled. I mean, come on camera, why is it blue? That my original order was cancelled, and then I saw that they have the new version 1.1 out, and I asked for it, requested it, and they did send me it. So it's sent out. I'm waiting for it. I'm sorry, it's a little late. Anyway, I will be doing a review on this, and I'm not sure yet if I will give it away or not. I will decide it, but I'm pretty happy that they have the version 1.1. The difference between this one, that it also has a warning that you're not supposed to how did they say, expose it to UV light. I don't know if the screen gets black or what happens, but the difference between version 1 and version 1.1 is the first one had a hard display, and this one has a soft display, so I'm not sure what the difference is. This is my first product that I will have with the e-paper display with a touchscreen. So I was very excited to get this, and was obviously sad that I didn't get it, and now I'm getting it anyway. So that will be another review that I'm gonna make. And but these are the items that I'm planning on giving away for sure. 4 items, and as I said, I have plenty of products, and I will be able to do many giveaways for now, once a month, and maybe more often. I don't know how often other people do it, but at least it's a start, I guess. So if you're interested, let me know. If you have any ideas or whatever, let me know also in the comments. And this is it for today. Take care, everybody, and I see you on the next one. And do subscribe, otherwise you won't know when the who will win it and how to win it, or even to get selected. So you have to be subscribed to my channel. Otherwise I would have 17,000 or 18,000 people that I could choose from, and I will go after the comments. I have like that many subscribers. I have like 400, 500 views per video. So, and most of them are not subscribers. They're just by chance finding my channel or whatnot. So anyway, please do subscribe. I actually never asked for it. I've been on YouTube for 5-6 years now. I have my store open for 5 years, I think it is now, and I never asked anybody to subscribe. I just figured if you like it, you will do it by your own. But now I'm asking for all those subscriptions. I don't know, unless you have like 1 million subscribers or whatnot, don't do me much good. I have more if you become a Patreon and support me that way, and that will also make it able for me to bring out new products, and because every product takes a lot of time, money, and whatnot. And now with the prices going up, actually with the electronic parts prices going up, and it's getting harder. Anyway, if you're interested, do subscribe, and you can participate in the drawing. As I say, this is the first one, and let's say a month is a long time. I will do it in 2 weeks. Everybody who has subscribed in 2 weeks will be eligible to participate, and lucky winner gets it shipped for free, of course. You don't have to pay nothing. I just ship it for you, and you will receive it, and then maybe happily or thankfully you would make a video and show it, or just leave a comment that you received it, so people know that it's not a scam or something like that. I have this for like 6 months already, and I didn't even play a game on it. This is it. Thanks for watching, and take care, everybody.